What if you could manage your entire business, from finance to operations, on one single dashboard? Because most growing businesses struggle with disconnected systems, manual reporting, and no real-time visibility. And when operations are scattered, growth slows down. That's where Entitled, the ERP solution by Wezoid, steps in. One system, total control. Entitled connects finance, HR, sales, inventory, and supply chain. So your business runs smarter, faster, and more efficiently. It starts with accounting and cash flow management, improving expense control and performance. With real-time financial insights, you can instantly track profitability, assets, liabilities, and cash flow. Its CRM tools help generate leads, automate workflows, and boost engagement. While sales and marketing management lets you identify opportunities and increase conversions. You also get workforce management to track attendance, productivity, and payroll, along with HRM and talent acquisition to manage hiring, onboarding, and employee lifecycle. And with real-time inventory tracking, plus supply chain planning and execution, you can forecast demand, manage resources, and ensure on-time delivery. Entitled goes even further with powerful tools like planning, purchase orders, stock transfers, activity and cost approvals, proof of delivery, SOP management, and real-time performance monitoring, ensuring complete control from decision to execution. Because businesses don't struggle due to lack of effort. They struggle without real-time data. Entitled turns your data into faster, smarter decisions while reducing costs and improving productivity. So if you're ready to scale smarter, switch to Entitled ERP by Wezoid. Book your demo today.